wanted to introduce myself. My name is Vladimir Ivankov and I am delighted to be working for Realty Trust Services. I'm very effective at collections because people like me so much. One of the things I do to make friends with folks is I have an easy payment plan. If you don't pay on the first of the month, I will take payment on the second of the month in the form of an arm or a leg, literally. I can promise you that you will never have a late payment again. I've been in collections since I was 5, and no one collects more or better than me. I think you like having me on your side. Okay.